Hello, I am Aashrayee Shah from Ahmedabad and I am from Super Student Workshop. I've been preparing for CA Inter exams Group 2. Today's session was kinda self-reflection. It was like a mirror. I feel I just got that maybe why I failed the exams for Group 2, because subjects like EIS, SM, audit, they require memory retention a lot. And maybe I just read the subject once, then I read the subject again, but there was no cumulative revision in between. And this is where I lack, which I think I need to improve on. Also, I feel that the chapters which I have already done in this subject, I guess I should do them again with Sir's technique. Looking forward to a better timetable tomorrow, and I'll study in 3 slots. I've been studying in 25 minutes slots for without distraction lately, and I'll try for 50 minutes today. Thank you.